सियासी रहनुमा इलेक्शन जीतने के लिए मजहब का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, ये कहना है बॉलीवुड की लेजेंडरी अदाकारा शबाना आजमी का। शबाना आजमी ने हाल ही में एक इंटरव्यू के दौरान सियासी फ़ायदे के लिए मजहब का इस्तेमाल करने वाले सियासी रहनुमाओं को तनकीद का निशाना बनाया। और इसके अलावा शबाना आजमी ने भारत समेत दुनिया भर में मुसलमानों के साथ होने वाली जुल्म और ज़्यादतियों पर भी बात की। आइए नाज़रीन वीडियो देखते हैं।
That's happening all over the world. It's not peculiar to India. Muslims are being attacked everywhere across the world. And I think a time has come for some introspection even from the Muslim community to see why is this happening. And I think it has to be a two-pronged attack. You have to, the Muslim citizen, particularly India, has a right and a stake, because see, look at what the Muslim in India has also achieved. You know, you had a prime minister, you have had a president, you have Muslims in very powerful positions, you know, whether it is in industry or whether it's in cricket. So then you have to preserve this at all costs, because this is where you're getting it. You're not getting it in other countries where there is no democracy. So that is definitely an ongoing struggle, but I think finally what we have to realize that in India, what are they asking for? They're asking for the same thing that a Hindu is asking for, which is basically roti, kapda or makan. I want food to eat, I want shelter on my head, and I want employment opportunities. Now, we cannot surrender to the fundamentalist voices who really don't want to, on both sides, yeah, who really don't have any solution to offer for basic rights and how you should get it, and so they fan the flames on religious grounds. That you have to be very, very mindful of, who you choose as your leader and whom you idolize as your leader is the care with which you have to protect yourself.
Do you think that leaders today in India and globally, but namely Prime Minister Modi, politicise religious issues and the fears that people...
Oh yes, of course. Religion is used as an instrument for political gain, and especially for electoral gain. And so you create communalism as a way of creating villains and heroes, either real or imaginary, and then you pick up all these grievances in the past and want redress in the present times, and that why become a very good instrument for communalization and for political gain. And all leaders over the world do that. All of them do it. So religion is used as an instrument which is not good and has never been good anywhere in the world. It has to be only part of your identity. It cannot be your whole identity. You know, for instance, time had come when the word Muslim was hurled at me. I was an accusation of treating me like Dresden China, but which with a sort of thing that I had taken for granted. I had never thought of myself as a Muslim. Because if you ask me who I am, I'm a woman, I'm an Indian, I'm an actor, I'm an activist, I'm a mother, I'm a daughter, I'm all of that, and being Muslim is only one part of my identity. It cannot be pulled, all identities pulled out and only your religion becoming. So you should make sure that you don't fall victim to that that is being thrown at you, and especially in India, because see, India's biggest strength is her secularism and her composite culture. That's what I grew up.
बरतानवी टीवी को इंटरव्यू में बॉलीवुड की सीनियर अदाकारा शबाना आजमी का कहना था कि भारत में सियासी फ़ायदे के लिए रहनुमा मजहब को बतौर इंस्ट्रूमेंट इस्तेमाल करते हैं, जो कि गलत है। उन्होंने कहा कि सियासत में मजहब का इस्तेमाल दीगर मुल्कों में भी होता है, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, खुसूसन भारत में तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं, क्योंकि इसकी शनाख्त एक सेक्युलर मुल्क की है। शबाना आज़मी ने मज़ीद कहा कि अवाम मजहब का इस्तेमाल करने वाले सियासतदानों को पहचाने और उनका साथ न दे। मजहबी तशख़ीस इंसान की ज़िंदगी में बहुत से पहलुओं में से एक होता है, इसकी बुनियाद पर तफरीक और नफ़रतें पैदा नहीं करना चाहिए। भारत में इन दिनों आम इंतखाबात हो रहे हैं और हिंदू इंतहा पसंद जमात बीजेपी हस्ब रवायत मुसलमान दुश्मनी पर वोट हासिल करने की कोशिश कर रही हैं।
ऑन एंटरटेनमेंट की वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल के आइकन को भी क्लिक कीजिए ताकि आप हमारी तमाम आने वाली वीडियो से बाखबर रह सकें।